In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Mailchimp with Framer. So first head over to framer.com and start opening up your project. Then next at the top menu, click on Insert. Then hover your mouse on Forms and look for Mailchimp. So from here, all you have to do is drag Mailchimp all the way to your layout. Drag it exactly at the area where you want it to be. Then in the right panel, do all the necessary adjustments that you would like for your form so you can customize position and size, styles, on how it's gonna look like, and also other settings about this sign up form. Make sure to style the form so it matches your website design. Finally, publish your site by clicking on this icon at the top left, then hover your mouse on File, then click on Publish Site. Once published, make sure that you test the form. Now, when someone enters their details, they'll automatically be added to your MailChimp audience. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!